So this is what my living room pretty much looks like after I got the dressers painted, sanded, painted, and moved into my room. So it's a mess in here. Like I said, I have to clean up all the little dust flurries and stuff. I don't know if y'all can even see on that wall, but like the walls literally need to be wiped down and everything. So what I'm gonna be doing today is just cleaning my living room and prepping for my furniture, because like I told you guys in the last video, my furniture is here, but I have to go pick it up from the warehouse. I didn't want to pay for it to get delivered because it was like an extra $200, and also there was nowhere to put it yet. So they said they'll hold it so I can go get it. So I'm gonna hopefully get it tomorrow. But yeah, I have to clean up in here because I don't want to bring the furniture into a dirty place. Like, it's stuff everywhere. Like, even if I show y'all this corner over here, y'all probably saw it if y'all watched the actual painting video for the dresser and stuff, but it's boxes over there. It's a tub of clothes over there that I think I'm gonna give away, but I didn't even put all the clothes in the tub, so those have dust on them, so they need to be washed now. This little tub right here is what my TV was sitting on in there, but hopefully I'm gonna get a new TV and get it mounted on the wall. And then there's also some more boxes over there. And then if we go way over here, y'all can see just how dusty. So we're gonna clean up here, and then also down here it's dusty. The whole floorboard, like there's literally dust everywhere. Like this right here, I'm pretty sure y'all can see that dust right there. And then this table right here, that's what I'm doing today. And like I said, I'll give you guys a fully furnished apartment tour once we go pick the furniture up, because that's pretty much all I'm missing. The living room set, and then maybe like some little decor pieces I still kind of want to get. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna just get to cleaning, dusting, and just basically clean the whole living room out and break down some boxes, like literally all of that, and then we'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with. For the most part, the living room is clean. This little table over here, like I told y'all, that's what my TV was sitting on in my room before I put the dresser in there. So I don't know what I want to do with that piece. There's really nowhere for me to put it. And then of course all this is gonna go to the trash. I'm trying to see if I want to keep this mirror. I'm not gonna put it on the dresser, but it's kind of heavy and I'm kind of scared to try to hang it on the wall or anything. I was gonna put it in my makeup area, but I don't know yet. But yeah, for the most part, it's clean in here. I can't tell if these pictures are straight. They actually look really creaky. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this tub either. I have a storage closet outside on my patio, so honestly some of this stuff might end up going out there because I just don't know what to do with it. Yeah, and I can't wait to unroll my rug. I bought this rug like a month and a half ago, and I just been looking at it because I want to unroll it so bad just to see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna also record me building the living room, so basically putting the furniture together, the coffee table together, the rug, and I'm trying to see that I want to go ahead and put up my Christmas tree. I probably just wait on that one, but just want to show you guys after. So here they are bringing in the pieces. My sister and her boyfriend came over to help out a little bit because mine had to leave. He had some things he had to do. So yeah, that's what y'all see, pretty much helping out. So I started to get a sectional, and I'm just so happy I didn't, because these two pieces seem like they took up so much room, but I really feel like it's because how my living room is built. Like, I don't have just a plain empty wall except for the back wall, and I don't want my couch all the way back there on that wall, but like one wall has the blinds on it, the other wall has half of the fireplace, and then like my fireplace is like in a corner, and I just feel like that kind of threw off the whole room. Maybe it's just me, but I'm just happy I stuck to the sofa and the love seat. But what I didn't know is that it was going to come with these ugly pillows. I have to go find me some more that aren't too expensive, because the ones I've been seeing, they want like $100 for a set of 4. And I don't know if I'm just being cheap, but I just feel like I can find something cheaper for a better price that's not just, you know, bad quality. Like, I feel like I can find something way better. But I'm not the type of person that'll drop like a whole $1,000 on something when I know I can get it for half of that price. Like, I just can't do that. Like, I'm just not the type of person. Like, I'm definitely gonna, like, this rug, like, we're gonna get into that with the full tour, but this rug, I got it for like half the price. Like, and this is the exact same rug by the exact same company, and it's just like a $450-$500 rug. I think I got it for like $2 something. And the exact same thing with the coffee table and stuff. My cousin looked at this exact same set, and she told me it was $700. I got all 3 pieces for under $200. So what you do is you just Google the name of the item you want, and it'll pop up at maybe 20-30 different stores, and you just scroll through them and either find one you're familiar with or find one that's cheaper, but just make sure that it's a legit store before you place your order, of course. Yeah, all the items are made by the same people, so it's the same company, the same quality. It's just been sold at a different price because of who's selling it, so do your research. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with right now. Like I was telling y'all about the fireplace, though, you see how my rug just kind of runs into the fireplace? I don't like that, because I want the rug to be further this way, but that's not gonna work. So still don't know what to do with the mirror over there, but I just wanted to come show you guys the finished results we're working with. So these are the pillows I have right now. Like I said, I don't like the gray pillows that came with the actual couch or whatever. Oh, and also I added these little flowers up here just to add some more pink to the room, but that's what it's looking like. And then the feet to the actual couch and stuff is over there, so I do want to put that on so they're not just sitting flat on the rug. I'm gonna put my Christmas tree over here in this corner so it can be seen from outside too. But yeah, I can't wait to put that up because it's gonna be so cute. I just can't wait, y'all. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. And I also have these decor pieces down here, but I don't have a centerpiece for my table yet. I do have some Christmas decor though that I do want to put up there, But yeah, I'm in love with it so far. I just have to get the other pillows. I think I want to do white and then maybe like this dark gray that's in the rug. I want to get some that color too. But yeah, y'all, I feel like it's kind of basic now, but it's coming together. That concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.